Do you ever leave your house? If so, this video is for you. Oh, you're still watching? Cool. If you don't know me, I'm Dr. Bergen Collins, chiropractor in real life, and your favorite chiropractor. And if I'm not your favorite chiropractor on this YouTube channel, I bet you I'm gonna be your favorite chiropractor after you finish this video. Okay. If you do enjoy this content while you're watching it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe to my little bitty channel because I just want to be monetized so I can work less and vacation more. So I really appreciate some type of like, some kind of engagement. Please leave some comments below. Just, come on. We're here to win. All right. So I thought of doing today's video on my way to work when somebody had the audacity to nearly drive me off the road. They were rushing to get to work or somewhere important, I suppose, more important than where I had to go. And they almost drove me off the road. They swung into my lane. I had to hit my brakes. Thank God the person behind me didn't hit me. And they just kept on going. And my entire life literally flashed before my eyes. But that reminded me how quickly a car accident can occur. 1 minute is driving, minding your business. The next thing you know, you've been involved in a car accident. You don't know what to do next. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 benefits of going to a chiropractor. Right, coming to a chiropractor right after your car accident. Okay, so let's get right to it. Now, the first benefit that is not on my list, but perhaps it is the number one benefit, is coming to this office where I am and experiencing me. That's right. That's the benefit. That's the biggest benefit. Experiencing this chiropractor right here, Dr. Bergen and Collins. You know why? Because you will not ever experience better bedside manner. You will not experience more expertise. You will not experience a better personality from your doctor. Okay, just check my Google reviews. My patients love coming here. It's a party when they come in. We have a great time, and on top of that, they get better and they get better faster. They're not in here for the rest of their life getting treatment. You know why? Because I love and I care about my patients, and again, I'm good at it. And when you come in here, baby, it's an experience. Okay, so that's the first benefit. Not the benefit on the list, which means I still have 5 more to go for you. But let's get right to it. All right, coming in at hot number one. I guess the first was like a bonus, but coming in at hot number one, the benefit for coming to the chiropractor after a car accident is the ability to reduce your pain naturally. Yes, coming to the chiropractor, we are going to get rid of your pain in a natural manner. You will not be prescribed any pain medications because we're going to create an environment for your body for it to heal without the assistance of medication. Now, we in this office, we're doing hands-on chiropractic adjustments. We're also doing passive therapies like cupping, electric stem, taping, dry needling if it's needed, therapeutic exercises, and more. So if you're coming to the chiropractor after a car accident, you're not only going to feel better faster, but you're going to do so without the assistance of pain medication, which is actually pretty darn good if I say so myself. All right, number two, coming to the chiropractor after a car accident will help to restore your mobility. What does that mean? It basically means that you're going to be able to move your body a lot faster and a lot better after your car accident. Usually, after a car accident, there's a lot of inflammation, there's a lot of stiffness, there's a lot of soreness. But coming to the chiropractor, we're going to get you moving a lot faster than if you don't go to the chiropractor. You're going to be moving and grooving like you never had before. All right, coming in at number three. One, two, three. The third benefit of coming to a chiropractor is that we are going to address hidden issues. Now, underlying hidden issues. Now, unless you have X-ray vision, which I'm not sure you have, because you're not an X-Men, and I don't have X-ray vision either. But coming to the chiropractor, we are going to diagnose those hidden soft tissue injuries. Okay. Now, when you go to whenever you are involved in a car accident, more than likely you are going to sustain what we call is a whiplash injury. What is whiplash? It's a funny sounding word, but basically, if somebody hits you in a car, boom, like that, if they hit you from the back, your body's gonna go boom, boom, ugh, maybe a couple of times. If you get hit from the side, oh Lord, oh my God, you can imagine. Oh, my hair was bouncing, so cute. If you can imagine, everything inside of me gets got pushed. Okay, and there are muscles and there are ligaments and there are tendons and those things and the bones, they're getting whipped. They're being pushed into a hyperflexion, hyperextension. And when that happens, you will sustain micro tears in those soft tissues. You will sustain sprain, strain, injuries in those tissues. And again, unless you have x-ray vision, you will not see it. So you need to come to a professional like a chiropractor so we could diagnose it and treat it. Okay. All right. Number four. Number four. Chiropractic care after a car accident is going to prevent some long term damage. Now, I can see the video about Kanye West and how I suspect part of his mental and emotional imbalances can probably be traced back to that horrible car accident he sustained. Now, I'm not saying that as a fact because I have never treated Kanye West. Besides playing his music and seeing him on TV, I've had no contact with the man. But after very severe car accidents and even a very minor car accident, we can sustain some permanent long term damage if we do not address those injuries in a timely fashion. And coming to a chiropractor and receiving chiropractic care is going to help prevent some of that long term damage by allowing and helping your body to heal correctly in the first place. So if you want to be crashing on like Kanye West, no disrespect to Kanye West, if you don't want to be crashing like Kanye West years after your car accident, consider going to a chiropractor after your car accident. All right. Number five. You know what? Number five is going to be one of my favorites and probably one of your favorites because when most people think about a car accident, what you think about? Hmm, you think about getting paid, aren't you? Uh huh. Go ahead. You ain't gotta be shy about it. You ain't gotta act like that ain't what you think about when somebody hit your car about rolling on the ground and being extra so you get paid more money and all. You think about money, right? Okay. Now, without doing anything unethical, coming to the chiropractor after a car accident is going to give you some assistance with being able to navigate the legal aspect of it and the insurance aspect of that car accident. Now, more than likely, when there's a car accident, somebody's car is damaged. Somebody's car can even be completely totaled out. People are injured as well, which means they need to receive some type of medical care, right? None of that stuff is free, right? And more than likely, if you're going to be missing work, if you're going to be having to go to a doctor, if you're going to be needing to get a new car, I'm pretty sure you want to be compensated. You don't want to have to pay for that out of your pocket, which means that oftentimes insurance companies and law firms are involved. And chiropractors, we are not ambulance chasers. We're just simply good at navigating those areas, those arenas. So if you come to a chiropractor after a car accident, we can very well help you to navigate the legal portion, to help you navigate the assurances, to make the contacts, to create to keep that communication, to send your files and your documents so that you are able to be reimbursed or compensated in a fair and just and ethical manner. If you come into my office, I have lawyers that I can refer you out to. I also have other doctors I can refer you out to make sure that your claim is handled again in an ethical and a fair manner. So, okay, I just very quickly ran down five with a bonus number six. Benefits of why going to the chiropractor after car accident is a good idea. And just like this morning, when that weirdo almost hit me with his car just to get somewhere 2 seconds faster, I could have been in a car accident. Thank God I wasn't. But if I were in a car accident, what I would do, I would go see my homegirl, Dr. Eaton, up the street and let her take care of me because I can't treat myself. But and I just recommend that you go to a chiropractor. We'll take great care of you. It'd be definitely worth the effort after a car accident. So I hope this video was informative. Again, if you like this content, help a sister out. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Okay, the camera stopped. The devil is a liar. But yeah, I'm trying to be monetized. So help us out. Like, comment below if you've been in a car accident. Just comment. Yeah, me too. And thank you for watching. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.